on the dais, up the dais, invitees and guests. Federation of Karnataka Chamber of Commerce and Industries with 106 years background. A lot of success story. Amongst all, one of the latest one added to the fold of Chamber of Commerce and doing good to the world, especially on the youth front, is our Manthan program. As our president mentioned, started in 2009. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂದಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂಥ ಮುರಳೀಧರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಯೂತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಂಥ ರಾಜ್ ಬಶೀನ್ ಅವರು ಚಿಂತನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಯುವಕರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಉಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಈ ಮಂಥನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹಲವಾರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ತಲುಪಿದೆ. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಯವರ ಆತ್ಮನಿರ್ಭರ್ ಭಾರತ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಿದೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ 2009 ಕನಸು ಕಂಡು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅನೇಕ ಯುವಕರನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಉದ್ಯಮಿಗಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲಾರದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಯುವಕರು ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ವಿತ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್ should not look for job. They should not beg for job. They should be job givers, not job seekers. ಆ ಒಂದು ಮೂಲ ಗುರಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ನಾವು ಮಂಥನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಅನೇಕ ಬಂದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಗಳು 2009 ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತೇಜನವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ತಂಡಗಳ ರಚನೆ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಮೈ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಂಥನ್ ಟೀಮ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಉದ್ಯಮಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ one need an idea to start with. Innovate or perish. That is the situation now, order of the day. So a lot of ideas will come to run and make that idea into workable condition. What is required? First instant people will say cash. Yes, Manthan is also thinking about cash, not this CASH. This Manthan committee is looking at KASH. Cash. What is KASH stands for? K stands for knowledge, A stands for attitude, S stands for skill, and H stands for habits. So we are here to enhance the knowledge of the student with a brilliant idea to become workable idea, and we are also making that individual student to develop good attitudes, enhance the good attitude and skill requirement from technical experts, and of course all good habits will make a perfect leader. Keeping that in mind, our team will go to focus on the selected teams and we're going to guide them. Our team consisting of a knowledge committee headed by Jaiprakash Nagathialli and a registration committee or a dynamic Tejasri and team try to reach out all the colleges. Liaison with government, an expert Kishore Jagirdar is there to liaison and his team is there. Finance committee headed by our young director Sharvan and team. Logistic, very very important, headed by two youngsters Ashwin and Ankur Basin. Zuri, yes, when to get the best out of the best. The Manthan, when you want to churn out their brain and get the best product and best project, we need experts. A big jury committee headed by Usha Madam, and of course liaison with all the education institution. That responsibility given to our Jaychandra Aradhya and is ably supported by our co-chair Dr. Madhurani Gowda and Secretary Umesh. Friends, who have plans and programs are like this. We are going to invite applications from different colleges and shortlist them. Then for the shortlisted team, we are going to give online training. Then based on the representation from each district, we made around 7 zones, and our team will going to visit to that particular zone where the more than 10-15 students are there. We're going to guide them online, offline. And then the finalists will be invited to Bangalore for a 2 days program. Before that, maybe 2 days earlier, they'll be invited to give the final touch. So the grand finale is there in a big way, not only to get the best student, but also to motivate the youngsters to be part of this program and get motivated and attend this program in the years to come. And this time we have doubled the prize money to 6 lakh. We are also looking for good sponsors. If the more money comes, we want to divert the more money to the youngsters with better idea. And our president is always a gentleman. He always says, just go ahead. He is his clearance. We are approaching most of the corporate companies and individual to sponsor more money and hoping to reach out for 15 to 20 lakh is for this year. In addition to that, already our Kishore Jagirdar and his education, they have come forward to support to the tune of around 36 lakhs and some scholarship. We're going to announce that later. So, friends, this Manthan team 2021 is working hard to make this program a world-class program, and also we are setting a base for this year so that the coming year, this Manthan Karnataka Chamber of Commerce will reach South India and maybe in a couple of years, all India. When I was having a chat with our Raj Bashir madam, I said, why not international, world level competition? Yes, we are wide open. We are here to take it forward in a big way and to support whatever possible to make our India Atmanirbhar India. Thank you very much. Looking forward for great show. Thank you.
Nageshji, my support is there for international.
Thank you very much, sir, for your brief introduction of Manthan. I'm sure this introduction would have ignited a lot of interest and curiosity among all your audience. Keeping that in mind, we have arranged some testimonials from students and colleges. To start with, a student who have represented their startups and have won and their lives have changed. Can we have Mr. Bharat Rajana Idupenikal to present his or share his opinion about Manthan? Please welcome.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you so much for giving this opportunity to again come back here. And I'm so happy to be back here after so long time. And my name is Bharat. So I was a participant, and we were the runner-up in 2014 event, 2014 year. So I'm quite excited to talk to you guys today because it's been it's coming back to FKCCI. It gives you a good positive vibe all the time. Because this is a place where we, like way back in 2014 where we started, right? So there's a lot of memories goes into us. So just to tell about myself more, I run a startup called as EduPinnacle. So basically we are into training and certifications. So far we have trained more than almost 22 to 23,000 students in the last 6 years. And most of our students work in most of the Fortune 500 companies, and they say is what we have trained them is been helping them to grow in their career. So all that started from here. So that idea, when we had that idea of doing something, we now approached this particular competition and we started trying to understand more how to go about this in future, right? So what Manthan gave us was, it gave us a good clarity about how to go forward. It gives us a clarity about what is right, what is not right, with a lot of questions from jury which help us to understand, you know, which is the right way to go ahead. And I would say it acted as a solid foundation for us, where it strengthened us, knowing our, our strength, our weaknesses, our opportunities and threats. So for that reason, I would always thank the FKCCA members, everybody from FKCCA for doing this brilliant thing for students like us way back, which helped us a lot. Thank you so much for doing this, and I've been seeing this been growing very big way, and I've been seeing students after our 2014, after 2015, 16, 17, I've been seeing students how much benefit they're getting and how much they're growing in their area. So, and at the end, I would say, if you're still thinking, should you apply it or not, or should you participate or not, trust me, you should apply. This is the best place where you can, test yourself. At least you will know, are you on the right track or not? At least you will get some knowledge about how to start up and how to go about it. So on this note, thank you so much again, and thank you so much for calling again for me here to spend time with you on this particular day. And thank you so much for FKCCA team for doing that point of time in 2014, and it did help us to grow our startup. And we are successfully running from last six and a half years, and we are a team of now almost 15 people. So from 1 to 15 we are now, and thank you so much for all of that. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Bharat, for sharing your story. I'm sure it was very inspiring, and many colleges and institutes who are here would encourage your students to come up with their ideas too. Can I call upon Mr. Pramod, the founder CEO of Last Triple, to share his story? Mr. Pramod, are you here? Just in case if he's not here, we can move on to colleges who would like to share their experience. We do have Dr. R. Lokesh, the professor from Agriculture University of Raichur. So I would like to welcome. Please.
ಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಧರಿಂದ ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ಷಣ ಜೀವದಾನ, ಗಡಿಯೊಳಗೆ ಅನ್ನದಾತರಿಂದ ಅನ್ನದಾನ, ಈ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಕೋಟಿ ನಮನಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ. The dignitaries on the dais, it's my first experience to be associated with Manthan. So my students used to get a lot of awards, and Manthan, as the name indicate, it is churning the minds of young. So to come out with innovative ideas which can solve the problems of society. So Manthan is already running maybe for about 6 or 7 years. So I could see a lot of startup coming up from the students' mind. So I am extremely thankful to the organizers for giving platform for the student mind, especially in the field of engineering, agriculture engineering and so on. And at the same time, so I could also hear that they are planning to go abroad at India level and also at South Zone level. So thank you for giving me an opportunity to share my ideas. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Professor. I think it's your encouragement where we get a lot of startup ideas from Agriculture University, Raichur. Thank you for that support. Dil Mange More. Manthan offers guidance, financial support, and hand-holding help on know-hows of the business startups. There's Mr. Kishore Jagidar, the president of VK Foundation, who would like to share with us the value-added facility to Manthan that he would like to come forward with. Please do.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, thank you for this opportunity to come here and share how we can add value to this great effort, and that too at a critical time when post-COVID we are looking at how entrepreneurship is the only way to rebuild India. So, as a part of Vision Karnataka Foundation, which I represent, we have been promoting innovation and we have been working towards every district in Karnataka with a district plan to convert Karnataka as a case study for the whole country to emulate along with Niti Aayog, and convert this as a story for the global demand value chain. So, as a part of this, we've been encouraging a lot of work on innovation, and with Manthan, with variety of solutions that are coming at the grassroots level, we would like to encourage that, and as a value addition to the effort, we would like to share this opportunity of fellowship for innovation, where we would select about 20 of Manthan entries. They need not be winners, but they need to have solid ideas which will solve the problem of the society anywhere across Karnataka. And these ideas, they did not have to worry about or interruption in their career challenges or their studies. So we will sponsor them